your girlfriend tonight. You want to just wear it around your neck?
Oh my God! Yeah, that's fine. That's fine to see. Oh, look at the bling! Nice bling, man. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. I'm getting ready to do a sleep study. And this is kind of rare because normally I don't do this kind of private type of video. But David here is hooking me up with all these electrodes on my head and on my body and down my legs. Well, the legs are not done yet. So we still have to do that. But he's putting his stuff on my head. Like now I can actually see what the hell he was doing. And before I couldn't. I just felt this rubbing thing on my head. I didn't know what he was doing, but now I actually can see. So he is doing this, and he's been doing this for a number of years. And he's very caring, for one. I mean, he's not being rough and pushing me around. Get that freaking thing on your head. But he's doing really good. And supposedly, well, not supposedly, I have a snoring problem, and we want to find out why I do have the snoring problem, and apparently I have high red blood cells, and we're going to find out how many times I stop breathing during the day, during the nighttime when I go to bed. And this should be pretty interesting because I have a friend of mine, the director, Richard Mondesi, and writer for Mafia War Chronicles, and he said he stopped breathing 47 times in an hour.
Yeah, so that would be severe.
That would, yeah, really?
Anything greater than 30 events per hour would be considered severe.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Holy crap. Oh, now he's doing my legs. Oh, Jesus, that felt weird. Sorry. That's okay.
So the wires on your legs, they go right alongside the shin here, right alongside the tibialis anterior, which is the muscle that runs right alongside your shin.
Okay.
And basically what will happen is when you have restless leg syndrome, you'll get like, some people get like a hot sensation in their legs. Some people, it's been to a point where there have been patients that have had like bats and hitting their legs to get them kind of calm down. Yeah, I've seen all levels of it, so it's pretty intense. And then it's also checking for another thing called periodic limb movement disorder, which happens when you're sleeping, and you'll get like little twitches in the muscle.
Oh yeah, that happened to me before.
Yeah.
It'll just start to like just shake.
Yeah. It'll happen while you're sleeping, and it'll disrupt your sleep. So we're checking for both.
Wow, you guys did a lot of testing, huh? To find all that stuff out.
Yeah, it's pretty standardized now.
No, but if you think about it, you would never know.
Oh yeah, no, you would never.
Yeah, you guys would only know this based on doing a study and going, oh wow, look at this. Yeah. We have legs that are shaking and all wacky things are happening.
Right.
I feel like I got dreads on my head.
Pretty much. It would probably feel pretty similar.
Just so you know, you guys can see all these wires. Look at all these wires going off on my back. This is crazy. And I actually asked David before I started recording that if it was okay to actually record him. He said it was okay. So just to clarify.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, so we got two on my leg down here and two on my leg here. This is going to be interesting. I have to go to the bathroom. Got a lot of copper on my body. So there's a camera on the ceiling there. Where is it? It's right by the television. And there's an infrared sensor there as well. And they're going to monitor me during the sleep. So thank you, David, for allowing me to record you.
Yeah, of course.
And I'm sure people will be interested to know. Because, maybe a lot of people don't even see this. Oh, wow, there's the box. There's the box in the background.
Yeah, this box is all your wires.
Oh, there's my lifeline. Holy mackerel. Oh, so you still got more stuff to connect.
Yeah.
So how many wires total do I have?
It's about 25.
25?
If we're all done, it'll be 25.
Holy crap. Oh, my God. And there's the bed I'll be sleeping in. Nothing fancy. It's just like a regular bed. But do you have any more blankets at all?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah,
okay. Because this seems a little light.
Yeah. And we can control the temperature in the room if you want a little.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, this is perfect.
All right, so this is going in your nose.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
All right, so it's just like when they give oxygen. So if you're not getting any oxygen, we're just monitoring you breathing in and out. So if you stop breathing, do any snoring, this all picks it up.
Wow. That's amazing. What the hell? What the hell is that?
So there's actually two function things going on right now. The tubing part picks up your breath based off the pressure of the air coming in and out.
Oh,
The
okay.
little wire that's in there, hanging right in front here, picks it up off temperature. So when we breathe in, it's cooler. When we blow out, it's hotter.
Okay.
So the difference in temperature picks it up.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look like a cyborg. Hi. Is that a cutter? Yes.
Gonna put some on your face now.
Really?
Yeah. So these outside of your eyes, and I'm gonna be putting some right on
temple?
right on your chin. These will let us know when you go into the stage of REM.
Ah,
So
wow.
on the EEG, the REM looks very similar to a couple of other stages of sleep. But what differentiates is we get the eye movement, and you lose the muscle tone in your chin and jaw as soon as you go into REM.
Wow.
So
Well, that I'm not going to be able to see. That would be pretty freaking cool.
Yeah.
I was going to bring a camera with me, too, to record myself.
Mm-hmm.
I have these cameras that I have. That I just plug them into a battery pack like this, and I just turn them on.
Oh, okay.
And they're infrared.
Right.
Wrong spot.
Yeah. So it's gonna go by your left eye. There you go.
That's crazy, bro. Hopefully you find out what the hell's going on.
Yeah. We'll know about, if you have any apnea at all.
So what's higher? What's the worst you've ever seen in terms of breathing? Stop breathing per hour.
135 of that.
135?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
And it was a woman that was pregnant with twins, and they were concerned she was going to lose the babies because her oxygen levels are dropping so low.
Holy shit! And her red blood cells probably went through the roof.
Probably.
Oh my God! Do I need to stop talking?
No, you're good. It's going to go on your chin.
Oh, it's cold.
One's going to go underneath.
Wow. Well, what does that do?
So you lose the muscle tone in your chin and jaw when you go into REM. So these also will let us know when you go in and out of REM. So we don't always get the eye movement right away, but you'll lose the muscle tone in your chin and jaw immediately as soon as you're in REM.
Wow.
So that's how we differentiate
Okay.
from the other stages. Going to wrap everything up so you don't have these wires hanging all over you.
Oh, you're such a gentleman.
And then I'm going to put two belts around you. One's going to go around your chest. One's going to go around your waist.
Okay.
And the belts let us know what type of apnea you're having. So there's two different types. There's
Oh, wow. About to stand up for that or no?
No, you'll be able to stay right where you are.
Oh, wow. You sure?
Yep.
Okay.
So there's two types. There's obstructive apnea and there's central apnea, and depending on which one you have will let us know how we treat you if you have either one of those.
Oh, yeah, because the doctor wanted me to go in here to do this instead of doing it at home.
Right.
Because you get a lot more data.
Sure. Yeah, they would never be able to put all this stuff on you at home in a home,
Yeah,
home
imagine.
study. You basically have to hook up yourself. They give you a quick little, instruction manual, and then and then they send you home with it, and then you have to kind of put it on yourself. So it's a lot less entailed than obviously than what we put on you here.
Wow.
Alright, I'm just gonna get your wires on you, and
Mhm.
your belts on you, and all the other ones you hook up.
Cool. I'll show you the channel after I'm done.
Yeah, cool.
But sometimes I get requests for people to see my vlogs.
Yeah.
Personal stuff about myself.
Mhm.
Because I'm getting bigger and people want to know about me.
All right, just need a favor from you. If you just hold this on your chest for me.
Sure.
And just come a little bit forward in the chair.
Uh-huh.
Wrap this one around your
You
chest
said you're going to work around me. You lied. I'm just kidding.
So the box on your chest, it does two things. We get the reading off the belts. It also lets us know what position you're sleeping in.
Okay.
So even if you're under the blankets and we can't really see what you're doing, we can still tell what position you're in.
Oh, so it's like a same thing in a cell phone.
Right. And it lets us know also with apnea, maybe if you're just having apnea in one specific position, they have devices that you can wear where keep you off that. Like if you were worse on your back than any other stage, any other position, they have things that you could wear that would keep you off your back and avoid the apnea as well.
So where's this
Just
one?
hold that on your belly for me.
Yep, sure.
This one's gonna go on your stomach. Right around your waist. Okay. And that's it. You're hooked up.
Damn. Now I can walk?
You can walk around. You just have to take this box with you.
Okay.
So This is your girlfriend tonight. You want to just wear it around your neck?
Oh
like a
my
bracelet.
God! Yeah, that's fine. That's fine to
Nice
see.
medallion you got there.
Oh, look at the bling! Nice bling, man. Jesus Christ! And then this gets connected where?
They're in that cabinet there. I have some wires that'll be coming out of there, and they
Oh,
plug right
really?
into the bottom of the box.
Oh, okay.
And then you'll have a pulse oximeter on your finger. And then
Oh, looks like a Centronics connector.
yeah.
It's like a mini one.
Mm-hmm. And then you have a wire connected right into the side of here.
Okay, cool.
And that'll be it.
All right, beautiful. Now I can at least brush my teeth. Now, can you turn on the television thing? I only took one sleeping pill because I wasn't sure if I could take two.
Yeah. I mean, whatever you're comfortable with.
Jesus Christmas. What a mess. And you'll know which ones are connecting or like disconnected or whatever?
Yeah, I'll know. Yeah.
All right, cool. Thank you.
A little bit.
All right.
Just need a couple of minutes and I'll be talking to you through the intercom.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm going to do a couple quick things and then...
Sure.
Hey, Joe?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're going to go through some exercises. Go through some exercises and then I'll turn the lights off and I'll leave you alone.
Oh, you can actually shut them off remotely.
Yeah, I can do it from here.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay, go for it.
Okay, so play that with your eyes closed and I'll let you know when you can open them.
Okay.
Okay, can open your eyes.
Now, what were you checking for?
There are different brainwaves that come appear on the screen when your eyes are closed compared to when they're open.
Oh, wow. That's cool. I didn't know that.
All right, now I'm going to have you move your eyes left to right a few times.
With them open?
Yeah. Okay, move your eyes up and down a few times. Okay, blink your eyes 5 times. Okay, now smile.
This is funny.
Okay, wiggle your toes on your right foot.
Simon says, wiggle your toes.
Okay, now your left foot. Okay, can you make a couple of snoring sounds?
What, just like force them?
Yeah. Okay, now breathe in and out deeply through your nose only. Okay, now breathe through your mouth only. Okay, now hold your breath for 10 seconds. Okay, can relax. Alright, just give me a minute and I'll be turning the lights out for you.
Okay, thank you. Now, that was pretty cool. Neato. Hoping to fall asleep soon. That would be nice. Oh, neat. Look at that. Dimming them. Sweet. Nice. Thank you, Dave.
Yeah, buddy. If you need anything, just call out because the intercom is on.
Okay, thank you. Sweet. All right, guys, you can't see me anymore, so I'm going to sign off. Hopefully this works out well. Cheers.